So, my children are ready. My birthday boy is ready. Trisha, my birthday girl is ready. Okay. All right. Let the birthday boy come, then I'm going to open my camera. Okay. Then I'm going to open my camera. Let the birthday boy come. Where is the birthday boy? Abdullah has not joined yet. Where is Abdullah? No, not yet. Arey, Abdullah should join fast. Yes, Prisha, what do you want to say? Yes, Prisha.
Ma'am, can I play Happy Birthday song with
Yes, yes, please, please. And Angel, you can also play the happy birthday song in your Casio. Please bring your Casio, Angel.
Yes.
Okay, get
Yes.
your Casio, get your piano. Get. Very good. Prisha, put your hands down and play the. Yes, very nice. Both of you can play. Wonderful. Yes, is Abdullah there? Array, Abdullah is not coming or what? Yes, Abdullah is here. Abdullah is here. Ah, Abdullah is here. Okay, I'm opening my camera now. Abdullah, open your camera quickly. Abdullah, open your camera quickly. Otherwise, I will not open my camera. Okay, so here is Abdullah and here is Ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Here is Abdullah and Trisha's birthday celebrated. Okay, who's going to play the song, Trisha and Angel?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
Wow, clap hands everybody. Beautiful, Prisha. Perfect, perfect. Beautiful. Okay, now Angel, have you brought your Casio? Have you brought your Casio? Okay, now play it for Trisha. Play it for Trisha. Sing it for Trisha. Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow. Clap hands everybody for Angel. Thank you so much. Okay, now I will show where is Abdullah and wait a second, I will remove this. Yes. So all of you will now start singing for Abdullah and Prisha. Abdullah, stand please. Abdullah, stand. Abdullah and Trisha. Where is Trisha? Trisha, stand. Yes, everybody, please start singing for her, for them. Please start singing for them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, wonderful. Good. So,
Happy birthday to you, Tisa. Happy birthday, Abdullah.
Abdullah
Happy
is,
birthday, Abdullah.
Abdullah is Gayab. Abdullah, where are you?
You.
Abdullah, rejoin. Trisha, I cannot see you.
Happy birthday, Abdullah, Trisha.
Happy birthday, Trisha. Trisha's birthday was on 3rd of August.
Birthday to you,
Okay, so we are celebrating it today. And tomorrow also we have a celebration. Tomorrow is whose birthday? Tomorrow is someone, a naughty one in our class, a pretty girl, a naughty girl. This girl's birthday is tomorrow. So we're going to celebrate again tomorrow. Yes, my naughty chirping girl, my cute little girl, my smart little girl. Who is she? She's my dear Sarah. Okay. Chalo. So I hope you all enjoyed. Yes? Did you enjoy it? Abdullah, could you hear us sing for you? Could you hear us sing for you? Abdullah, answer better. Sarah, mic off. Sarah, mic off. Huh. Abdullah, I can't hear you.
No. Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
can I sing a song Bare Bare Din Ye Aaye?
Oh, so sweet. Yes, 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 please. Quickly sing.
Bare Bare Din Ye Aaye, Bare Bare Din Ye Aaye, जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है यार. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abdullah and Trisha. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Shanvi dear. That's so sweet. That's beautiful. Inaya wants to do something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I sing song?
Yes, sure. But first of all, you have to yes, make your brother sit somewhere, please. Hmm.
Angel.
Sing better. Sing
Yes. Bare Din Ye Aaye, Bare Bare Din Ye Aaye, तुम जियो हजारों साल. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Say thank you, Trisha and Abdullah. Say thank you to your friend.
Thank you all. Thank you. Lovely wishes.
Did you enjoy it, Abdullah? Abdullah is not, there's some network issue with him because it's raining today. Yes, Nishant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nishant, you can start speaking.
Ma'am, wish you a very, very happy birthday, dear Abdullah. You are such a sweet and calm boy.
Wow.
May God bless you
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. And Yuktaksha wants to say something. Then Hanishi and Aryan. Wow. Okay, quickly say, because we also have to continue saying the studying the English grammar.
Happy birthday to you, Abdullah. Your sweet smile. May your sweet smile. But continue to watch this world sunshine.
So
God bless
sweet.
you. One
Oh,
second.
wow.
Happy birthday to you, Abdullah.
Abdullah, keep saying thank you, beta. Now after Abdullah, who wants, after Yuktaksha, who was there? Aryan. Aryan, speak. And what else? That's it? Okay, fine. That's it. Say happy birthday and thank you, Aryan. Trisha. It's Trisha's birthday. T. Trisha. Okay, thank you so much. All right, Arvi, then Hanishi.
Happy birthday, Abdullah and Trisha. God bless you and lots of love.
Oh, wow. Abdullah, Trisha, say thanks.
Arvi. Thank you.
Okay, Aryan, after, now Hanishi's turn. Quickly, Hanishi.
Happy birthday, Abdullah and Trisha. Happy birthday, Abdullah and Trisha. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Always be happy. Thank you, Hanishi.
Okay, good, very good. Now put your hands down. Okay, Charvi also, fine. Charvi and then the end, okay? Charvi is last.
Happy birthday, Abdullah and Trisha. You are my best friend.
Wow.
Thank you, Charlie. Thank you.
Abdullah, kahan hai? Abdullah is facing again a network problem. Oh God. Abdullah, we cannot see him, neither we cannot hear him. Okay, no problem. Chalo, let's start now with our English. Let's continue with our English. Okay. So I hope Trisha, who's this? Yes, Abdullah. बेटा हम आपको देख नहीं पा रहे हैं, हम बस आपको आधा आधा सुन पा रहे हैं टुकड़ों में. So there is some network lag. Kindly quickly rejoin again. If you can hear me, quickly rejoin again, okay? Okay, we are back with our lesson. We are back with our lesson. So we will start continuing with English. Be ready with your book. Be ready with your book. Yes, Abdullah is ready. I'm spotlighting him because he wanted to speak something. Abdullah, speak better. Where is Abdullah? Okay, Abdullah is joining in. Gitanshi, speak. Yes, Abdullah. Now I spotlight you. Okay. Nice, nice. Nice. What was that? You didn't say? What was that?
Thor.
Oh, this is Thor. Oh, I love Thor. Good, good. Chalo. Very good. I hope you enjoy your gifts and your birthday today. It's your special day. Enjoy your day with all fun, with all blessings. With all fun and with all blessings, you should enjoy today's day. May you be happy, prosperous, and successful throughout the year and years to come. God bless you. Okay? You, Trisha, both. All right. So let's start with today's further English. That is, okay. So we will now read the next one. That is, so you can see the examples given over here now. You can see the examples given over here. Okay. Liana's camera is off. Why Liana's camera is off? What happened, Liana? Again, your stomach is aching. What happened?
I'm not feeling good.
I can understand. Okay, if you want to take rest, you can leave. Leave the class,
Yeah.
beta. Okay, beta. Just write me an application that you're not feeling well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, beta. Take rest. Take rest. Okay, fine. So we will now do the next page. The next page is about R. Turn to the next page. This is am and are. Am and are. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Is not used with I. I is also singular, right? I is also singular. Okay. This is very important. See through it very carefully. Is not used with I. I. Okay. No. It's not used with I. I is reading. बोलते हो कभी? No, you don't say I is reading. I is going to school. I is playing. Gitanshi, pay attention. So we don't use is with I. I is singular. I is singular. Okay. This is single. But still we don't use is. We don't use is with I. Will you remember this always? I is nahi hota. I am hota hai. So am is used with I. Am is used with I. Okay? Always. Charvi, you should always put hand in front of your mouth when you're yawning. Okay. So, all of you understood this? Angel, what are you doing? How are you supposed to sit? See, again, Prisha is sitting with lips on her finger on her lips, and Rajveer is also sitting. Again, you are doing something or the else. You should sit, finger on your lips, and pay attention to what ma'am is saying. Then only it will go into your head. Your head listens to me when you are looking at me. Okay? Your head understands everything when you are looking at me. If you don't look at me, nothing will go inside your head. You will not learn anything. Nothing. Zero. So you have to look towards my screen. Okay? Will you do that always? Will you do that always? Yes. If you do that always, you become more and more intelligent. Because I will make you, definitely I will make you more and more intelligent. I will try to help you become intelligent. Gitanshi will not become intelligent if he look here and there. Parents, kindly leave the room. Parents, kindly leave the room. Let the child operate the device by themselves. They know how to mute and unmute. Children, you will now mute and unmute by yourself. You have to ask anything. Raise your hand yourself. Mute and unmute yourself. Please let your parents be free. When I need your parents, I will call them. I will call your parents. Okay? Now your parents can leave. Right now, I'm just explaining to you. You need not your parents. You do not need your parents. Gitanshi, why did you leave the session? Gitanshi, can you please speak? So this is clear. I am going to play. I am going to dance. I am watching the TV. I am listening to ma'am. Okay? So these things are in. Please stop touching the phone or your device for reactions. No reactions to be made. Hold your hands and finger on your lips, not on your nose. I didn't ask you to stop breathing. Did I ask you to stop breathing? Can you stay without breathing? Can you stay without breathing? Breathing. If I ask you to stop breathing, stop breathing. You can't. You can't. So your finger should be over here, upon your lips. Okay, Trisha, keep your mic off. Trisha, mic on. There is a TV on in your room. Again, there is a TV or music on in your room. Open your mic. Trisha, open your mic. Liana, your camera is off and your mic is on.
Can Liana listen the class?
Yes, if she
remaining-
wants. Yes, if she wants. Just put me an application and it will be more beneficial if she listens the class and she does not misses it. Because this is an important topic. This is an important topic. All the children should understand. That is why I'm asking all the children to pay attention because this topic is very important and difficult. This is important and difficult. So you have to listen carefully. Behan Chokse. Please, parents, leave the room. Liana, switch off the mic. Don't touch the camera, Aryan. Okay. So I am is used always together. Am is not used with he, she, they, it, we. Okay. We am nahi hota, she am nahi hota, he am nahi hota, right? So am is used only with I. So they go hand in hand. They go hand in hand. They both are best friends. They both are true friends. They always stay together. They always stay together. Okay? So do you understand now? Do you understand now? Yes? Am is always used with I. Okay? And then rest, you is not used with am or is. Okay? These are the different things which I am saying. Then are. Are is used with plural thing. Plural means many. Plural means many, more than one. Plural, right? You remember singular and plural, one and many. Do you remember? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Singular and plural, one and many. So plural means more than one. Okay? More than one. Right. So are is used with many. With many, more than one. All right. So we use are with they are, and you is singular. You is singular, right? Right? With you also we use are. You are. You are going to study hard. You are going to listen to ma'am. Is it clear? Charvi, don't play with your eyes. Is it clear or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? So you will do this examples. You will read these examples over here. I am Sanya. See, everywhere these two friends are together. I am 6 years old. I am a good student. I am smart. I am swimming. I am happy. Read aloud, all of you. All of you read aloud. Read loudly. Now read loudly. Lips, remove your finger from your lips. If you're keeping your finger on your lips, that means you're quiet. Remove your finger from the lip and then start reading aloud, loudly that your house people can listen. Your family can listen. I am Sanya. So repeat by your name. I am Nishant. I am Rajveer. I am Satwik. I am Aryan. I am Shanvi. Right? Like this. Then I am 6 years old. Yes, you all are 6 years old. So you can say I am 6 years old. You all तो आप 7 years अब हो गए हो, but most of you are 6 years old. If you're 7 years old, you can say I am 7 years old, Trisha. Okay? I am a good student. Repeat loudly. Yes, you all are good student. Yes. Say, yes, I am a good student. All of you. Angel, put your camera on. I am smart. Yes, my all class 1C students are smart. I am smart. Loudly. I am swimming. I am swimming. Gitanshi and her parent, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Who are you talking with?
Yes, ma'am.
Who are you talking with?
मैं अपना कर रही बात.
झूठ बोलते हो आप
नहीं
झूठ भी बोलते हो आप झूठ भी बोलते हो,
Night.
आप झूठ बोलते हो। देखो आपका कान गर्म होने लग रहा है, आपके नोज रेड होने लग रहे हैं। यू आर नॉट सपोज टू स्पीक। वेयर डिड यू गो? आप क्यों बिना बताए गए थे कहीं सीट छोड़कर? सीट छोड़कर अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहाँ गए थे?
मैं गई थी.
Call your mama. Please call your mama. Please call your mama quickly.
Oh,
Call from here. Sit down over here and call. Don't go anywhere. बुलाइए अभी. Gitanshi, you are taking time. My classes time is going on. We have short of time. Please call your mama now.
Mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please see that the child is focused in her class and she is not talking to anybody while I'm explaining, and she is not leaving the classroom while the class is going on without telling me,
Yes, ma'am.
because it gets very
Okay, ma'am.
disturbed. The child, if he or she is not able to focus, they will not understand. Gitanshi, you will not tell a lie, okay? That's very bad. It's very tough time going on, बच्चे. बहुत टफ टाइम चल रहा है अभी. आप लोग घर से बैठ के पढ़ रहे हो, मैं आपको अपने क्लास पे नहीं बुला पा रही हूँ, तो आपको अपने घर से ही बहुत ही ध्यान से मेरी बातों को सुनना होगा, तभी आप समझ पाओगे क्या पढ़ाई हो रही है. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand? Please help me and also help your parents. How will you all help your parents? You all can help your parents by following what I say. Understand what I explain. If you understand what I explain in class, you will remember and you can do your work nicely and you all will get 10 out of 10 always. But if you don't follow me, you leave the class, you don't pay attention, you will not understand. So don't do that. This is the last time I'm telling you. Vehan Chokse for you, same for you. Okay, so we are having only 7 minutes left. Gitanshi, mic off. Please pay attention now. Fine. So, am is clear. Now R. R is always used with more than one people. See, we
Ma'am,
are, mic off, Gitanshi, pay attention. Gitanshi, beta, mic off. Gitanshi, mic off, Shona, jaldi. Yes, good.
Oh,
We use, arey baba. We use R with we, you, they, these, those, and plural noun. Okay? Plural noun. See, many. R is used with plural noun or many, many, more than one. Okay, will you remember this? And always remember this line. Always remember this line. We use R with we, you, they, these, those, and plural noun. Plural noun means the buses are standing together. Okay. Then tomatoes are ripe. Then children. Children is plural. Child is singular. Children is plural. Child is singular and children means plural. So children are very cute. Here all the cute children are sitting in front of me. All my children are cute, beautiful and smart. Okay. Peacocks. Peacocks are dancing. Parents are loving and caring. All the parents are loving and caring. Every parent. So you should take care of them because they are taking care of you. How can you take care of them? You can take care of your parents by listening to them and obeying to them. What is obeying? Obeying का मतलब होता है जिद नहीं करना, ना नहीं कहना, पेरेंट्स को ना नहीं कहना, जिद नहीं करना, जो वो कह रहे हैं वैसा फॉलो करना. इनाया, इतनी नींद आ रही है? इतनी नींद आ रही है? सारा, what is wrong? Why are you getting distracted? What are you doing? Okay, 4 minutes are left now. 4 minutes are left now. Remember one thing, last thing I'm telling to all of you, pay attention, attention. Attention, Abdullah, camera on. Attention, sit straight, eye straight, in front of the camera. Attention, Vihan. Hands straight in attention. Anishi, straight on your table, on your table. Yes, and are all ears alert. 15 days championship is on. You have to send me the video, 1 minute video or less than 1 minute video of each day from day 1, that is 5th of August. Those of you are sending me the videos from 5th of August to 20th of August, I will consider their name and they will get the certificate. If you send me late from today, no certificate. So those of you who have sent me yesterday, please continue to send me till 20th regularly without fail. Okay? Regularly without fail, don't miss. Otherwise, you will not get the certificate. Okay? Every one of you will send me the homework regularly and prepare for your assembly and send me your recording. Send me your recording. We will start our assembly speaking in the assembly from 19th. So this week I have to give all the names to Kalyani ma'am. I have received 2 names. Yuktakshar's name and three names I have received. I have received Yuktakshar. I have received Angel story. Angel, you have sent me a story? No, I have received one story. Who? Acha, Yuktakshar has sent me a story. Yes, and I have received one. Aryan's. I will be receiving now. Aryan, he will be giving me thought of the day. I need one word of the day and one story or poem and one news reader. Who will read a news for me in the assembly? Who will read a news? Vihan Chokse, you will read news. Okay? Vihan Chokse, you will read a news. Select 4 news. World news, international news, world news, national news, India's news, state news, Madhya Pradesh news, and local news, Indore's news. So 4 news I need. You will write it down. Okay, you need not learn it, but you will rehearse this again and again so that you speak it very smartly. Don't speak in between. Don't speak in between. Abdullah, open your camera. Okay? Abdullah, I need one poem or one story from you. Abdullah, I need one poem or story from you. I need one word of the day. Liana can give me a word of the day or Inaya can give me a word of the day. Okay? All right. Yes, Angel, quickly speak. We have 1 minute. Quickly speak. Angel, speak, otherwise camera is off. Bye for today then. Angel, speak quickly. Bye. Okay, bye. Chalo, bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care. Enjoy your birthday.